In this video, I'm going to tell you why you should upload videos to Shutterstock. Hey everyone, this is Nicole Glass. In previous videos, I talked a lot about uploading photos to Shutterstock and the things I've learned from that. I haven't gone too much into video, but this is definitely an important topic. I looked at my Shutterstock account and 94% of my content is photos and only 6% of my content is videos. However, video sales account for about 52% of my earnings in 2018 so far. This means that the earning potential for video sales is much greater. My video sales are not very frequent compared to my photo sales. I usually only get a few video downloads per month. However, each one of these downloads has a much greater payout, especially if someone downloads my video in 4K. Shutterstock states that contributors earn 30% of whatever a buyout pays for a video. That means if a buyer is downloading a 4K video with a standard license for $179, you would get $60. Now, if you get 10 such downloads a month, you would get an easy $600 from that. Now, when you only have photos on Shutterstock, and your photos on average are just getting a few cents per download, most of the time, but not all the time, then it will take you hundreds of downloads a month in order to get any sort of significant income. It's doable, but it definitely takes a lot of work. I have a couple of other videos talking about tips and tricks on how to make money on Shutterstock, so definitely check those out. They're in the link in my description below. But regarding video, there is definitely a lot of competition for video on Shutterstock, just like there's a lot of competition for photos, but there are a few things you can do to make your videos stand out and increase your potential for having those videos being downloaded. Number one, stabilize your content. If you filmed your footage without a stabilizer, chances are your footage might be a little bit shaky. But if it's just a little bit shaky, you can definitely edit that. I use Adobe Premiere Pro, and I can easily just apply a warp stabilizer to smooth out my footage before I upload it on Shutterstock. Number two, apply a color grade. You might also want to color grade your videos just a little bit. It doesn't have to be significant, just to make the colors pop. But don't do too much color grading on your videos because chances are buyers will probably want to edit the videos themselves. So leave a little bit of that to them and just do a minor color grade. 3, check the length of your videos. All clips on Shutterstock have to be between 5 and 60 seconds. If you have one very long video with a lot of stuff going on, you can actually break that video into different segments and get multiple clips out of it. Those are just a few quick tips to get started, but I'm going to create a more in-depth video in the future, so be sure to subscribe to my channel to get notified once I release that. And if you're just curious to see what I shoot with, check out the links in my description below. I have all that information down there. I hope this was helpful in one way or another. Please let me know in the comments, what would you like me to make a video on in the future? Shutterstock? Something else? Do you have any questions about Shutterstock? I've been on the platform for almost 2 years, and I'd love to share more of my experiences on it, especially since a lot of people say stock photography is dead. I don't believe it's dead. I just believe it takes more work than it might have in the past. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.